Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Banner Year, and this is the sweet little fall card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so for this card, we are using Banner Year, and we're going to be using Happy Fall, y'all. This cute little squirrel, the acorn, and the pumpkin, and the leaves here. So I'm going to come in first with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And I have a piece of Very Vanilla. Couldn't think of the name. And then I have a piece of the Gilded Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper. And these dies are from the Hollow Magic dies. So we'll just run those through. All right. We'll get this out of the way. Now we will start with our stamping. We're going to take this small piece here, and I have mint macaron, and then I have our sentiment mounted on clear block G, and I'm just going to put it up here in the middle. Then I'm going to come in with Cajun CRAZE. Let's see if I can't get a better image here. All right, so let's start over the mint macaron, and then our pumpkin. Oh, that's much better. Then I have our leaves mounted on clear block A. And then I'm going to come in with my crumb cake for the acorn. And I think I'm going to make 2 acorns. Just kind of back to back like that. And then I have early espresso for our squirrel, and I mounted that on clear block B. So just like that. Close these up. And we can start putting this card together. I have my silicone sheet. And this is going to make our background here. So just like that. And our card base is Early Espresso, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Very Vanilla. Since this cardstock is so dark, we can put a sentiment on the inside if you wish. All right, so just like that. And then this is another piece of the Gilded Autumn. And I have my Early Espresso ribbon. And I'm just going to come in with my regular tape. And this is that Boss faux suede ribbon. I love it. And I'm going to make 2 lines. So just like that, I'm going to come in with my ribbon scissors. Make sure that's lined up the way I want it. All right, so just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, and put that down. And then I couldn't decide. I think I'm going to go with the champagne rhinestones. And let's use the bigger ones for this. Well, I can't get this one up. It's loose. There we go. And we'll just put him right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple fall card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!